Hello. So, slightly different kind of video today. I have a Temu haul. Now, I've heard a lot of people talk about Temu, about different things they can get from Temu. You see it all over the internet, stuff like that. My children are always talking about wanting me to order from Temu. You know what teenagers are like. You know, Mum, you can do this, Mum, you can get that, Mum. So, I was wondering what their craft stuff was like. We've just finished a whole new, a whole series, Book Nook series. And I started thinking about whether they had anything on there like that, whether they did book nooks, whether they did craft items, what kind of stuff they did. So, I have a haul of things that we can try. So let's get in here and see. She says, and I can't get in. So I have some items that I have picked out. Oh, and I've been waiting to get in here, and I haven't done this because I've been waiting to finish the other video so that we can start some things in here. So what have we got? So I picked out some things that I think that I can create some really cool stuff. And also, I did find a book nook. So first off, what do I come to? I haven't obviously opened this. So I'm going to totally come on things as random as what comes out first in the bag. So, oh, pretty. We have some glitter. Now, there will be some things in here to do with, because I do lots of different crafts, there will be a various amount of things in here to do with, and I'll put all the links in the description box below to what we have. So we have some really, really pretty glitter. And for my subscribers before, you know that my Resin subscribers, you know I love glitter. Now, this is going to drive you, doesn't tell, I think I ordered two glittery things, and it doesn't tell me which one this is. I love, this is 10 mil, I love glitter. But this is so pretty. Can you pick up how pretty that is? It's like flakes and it's like pinky pearl. That is just so pretty. That will look, oh, you can't see on the, look, see on outside, this side. That will look so pretty in resin. So pretty. So I'm going to keep it in this bag so that I know, because obviously all these have codes, and then we can find out which it is. So we've got glitter. What else do we have? What else do we have? Aha! Right, so we have some, you should know what these are. Those are those, what do you call them? The little things that go for, on crocks, the little charm, a back of croc charms. So I've got some of those, so I'm going to be making some. We're going to hopefully do a video on making some croc charms. My daughter has, actually both my daughters have got crocs. I have some croc slippers, but my little puppy dog, well, he's not a puppy, but he loves to eat them. Only mine, but he loves to eat them. Now look at this. This is heaven. Again, it doesn't tell me what colour it is. It just says now glitter for resin, for nails, for, but I will have all the, look at super, one was chunky, one was fine. Look how pretty that is. That is amazing. That is pearly. That is super sparkly. Oh, I'm going to love using that. Super sparkly. So we've got one sort of flaky, chunky, and one super fine. Those are going to be so, now they are to accompany. Look at this. And I'm going to possibly order some other bits and pieces. Look! Little teddy bears. So, these are going to go with this. And then with the glitters. And I'm hoping to make some croc charms. So that's going to be super cute. So my daughter loves teddy bear croc charms. So I thought that was, and she was always going on about wanting different colour ones. And when you get the assorted ones, sometimes you can't get the right colour, sometimes you get two of one colour. So I was like, okay, don't worry, let me make you some. And then we have some, can you see those? Is that focusing properly for you? Look, little stars, little stars. So we're going to do some with stars, we're going to do some with dust, we're going to do some, so that's going to be uber cute. Those are really pretty actually. Right. And then we have some silver, whoa, holographics, and they are holographic. Look at that, under my lights. We are going to have some holographic teddy bears too. Look at that. But I also have an idea of some other things I'm going to do with the glitter. And they should be in here somewhere. If they, I can't see them at the moment. So the other thing, oh, this one got a bit squished. The box of this got a bit squished. So, can you see? So, my book nook people. This is, I've not done many book nooks. We figured that out together. But instead of a book nook, let's see if we can open it. This is a tin. This is going to be fancy and smaller. Good Lord, people, it's going to be smaller. Look, isn't it cute? This is so sweet. Do you reckon these instructions are going to be better? Could they get much weirder than the other ones? Little loose, look, lucky market in the dreamland. Oh, I think, oh, look. Yep, these instructions look. Oh, we've got those lovely wiring diagrams again. Yep, these instructions look familiar. It looks just as entertaining as that. Oh, we've even got a ruler. Look at that. Ruler, tweezers. We didn't get that in the other one. We've got ruler, tweezers, knife. Oh, that's funky. Okay. Oh, what's he? That's sweet. Okay. Oh, this is going to be so cute. Okay, can't wait to do that one with you. His box got a little bit squished, but he's okay. Everything's okay. So, Box Theatre. Little tin. Oh, they're so sweet. I'm going to leave all the links down below. Right, now there should be something. Yes, there's something else. Look. Okay, so what colours do we get? Little, now you know how I like mushrooms. You know how I like toadstools because, is it toadstool or mushroom? They're two different things. I know they are, but with fairies, what do they call them? So, this was a 5-piece set. You can get lots of different numbers of... Oh, I love the blue one. Look at the blue one. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the blue one. Oh, and that is like toadstool colours. So I have some ideas with these. The pink one's nice. They're all pretty. I have some ideas with these to use them as they are. And then also, you know how I did with the other one. So I have some various ideas with these. And I said I'm going to order a couple of more things. I think as my creative head gets going, I shall just... And then this last one is the one I'm most excited about, because this is the one I think you're going to love the most. Well, my book nook people will. My resin people were like the other one. And it's got a little bit of shine from the lights, I'm very sorry. Is this one. So, it's not quite a book nook. It's more of a little house. It's not quite a house. It's it's a bit of an in-between. So, I thought we'd have a little bit. So we've got the little tin, and I thought that was a little bit different. And then I thought this looked a little bit different. So, because with these model kits, I'm going to open it. I've got to open it and have a little look. So, with the model kits, what I've noticed is we've got like different categories. So we've got the book nooks, and then we've got like the sort of the little sort of the tins and the little tiny micro ones, and then we've got like these 3D houses, and this one's called the Magic Book House, and this is one of the miniature houses. But some of the houses look more like a full house, and other ones, this one's more like an open sort of fronted house. So this is a little bit different again, but it looks so cute. I just thought it looked, says 14 plus. Yeah, I think the other one said 14 plus. And that one, which way does it open? Oh, hang on, we've got sticky tape. I just want to have a quick look, because I know a lot of you do, a lot of you are very talented at these book nooks, but I think this is slightly different to what we've just done, in the fact that it's, oh, look at all these. Oh, the dreaded wires, the circuits. But yeah, look, it's a lot more wooden and a lot more. Here's the instructions. We've got lots of stickers. Oh, it looks really cool. And we've got, okay, so this is totally, we had all of that foliage, all of the greenery, and look at this tiny packet compared to what we've just done. The Magic Bookstore. Okay, so we've got quite, okay, we've got quite an inventory of stuff. We've got quite, but it looks really cool. Quite a lot of beads, quite a lot of, okay, this is going to be, this looks quite complicated. Okay, make the little pots. Oh, it looks really good though. Okay, this is going to take some doing, people. This is going to take some doing. But it is quite different. Look, the way you put it together is quite different. We've got quite a bit of assembly work, but in a much different way. Oh, I'm excited. It's going to be cool. So, if you would like to see me do this sort of house, then let me know. What should we do first? I've got, the next video is going to be the next video on my set is going to be a resin video. Then we're going to get onto one of these. So shall I do this one first, or shall I do the tin first? That's going to be, because these are going to take some doing. They're going to be several videos long, and then we've got the croc charms, and then I think with these, with the glitter, oh, these are so pretty, they're so sparkly. With the glitters, we've got a glitter powder, and we've got flakes, and we've got sparklers. I think with these I'm going to do something, I don't know, I was thinking sort of something fairy-esque, something, because you'd know how I love my fairies and the mushrooms, but I've got a little bit of, I'm going to order a couple more things. Yeah, I'm going to order a couple more things to go with these. So with these ones to do with fairies and toadstools and fairy circles and things like that. So we've got quite a few videos here. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. If you've got any ideas, let me know. Right then, hope you enjoyed that little mini Temu haul. I'm quite excited to get going on some of this stuff. I don't know what to do first. Let me know what you think. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.